Imagine a place so cold, so remote, that it feels like the ends of the earth. Yet this frozen wilderness is not just a natural wonder, it's a key to understanding our planet's future. Welcome to Antarctica, the icy continent at the bottom of the world. And today we're diving into how Australia is playing a pivotal role in unlocking the secrets of this frozen frontier. Why Antarctica matters. Before we dive into Australia's role, let's understand why Antarctica matters. This icy continent is like Earth's freezer. Its ice sheets hold around 60% of the world's fresh water. If they melt, sea levels around the world could rise dramatically, affecting millions of people living near coastlines. So think of Antarctica as the canary in the coal mine of climate change. What happens here doesn't just stay here, it affects us all. And that's why scientists are so eager to study it. Australia's connection to Antarctica dates back to the early 20th century. Sir Douglas Mawson, one of Australia's greatest explorers, was among the first to chart parts of Antarctica. In 1911, he set out on an expedition to the continent, and while the journey was perilous, it marked the beginning of Australia's long history of Antarctic exploration. And Mawson didn't just explore Antarctica for adventure. His scientific research laid the foundation for what would become a deep commitment to understanding the region's mysteries. Fast forward to today, and Australia continues to play a central role in Antarctica's research community. Meet the Australian Antarctic Division, AAD. Based in Hobart, Tasmania, this organization is the heart of Australia's Antarctic efforts. The AAD coordinates expeditions, scientific research, and even the logistics of supporting stations across the frozen continent. Let's take a moment to put this into perspective. Australia operates 3 research stations in Antarctica: Mawson Station, Casey Station, and Davis Station. These stations are like scientific outposts in the middle of nowhere, and they're constantly gathering data that helps us understand everything from climate change to the region's unique ecosystems. What are we learning from Antarctica? So what exactly are Australian scientists studying in Antarctica? Let's break it down. First up, we have climate science. Antarctica holds a time capsule of our planet's climate history. By drilling into the ice, scientists can extract ice cores, which are like frozen records of Earth's atmosphere. These cores tell us about past temperatures, carbon dioxide levels, and even volcanic eruptions, dating back hundreds of thousands of years. From this data, we can better understand how climate change is affecting not just Antarctica, but our entire planet. And what's alarming is that the ice is melting faster than we ever expected. Now let's dive into something just as fascinating: marine ecosystems. The southern ocean surrounding Antarctica is home to unique species that we can't find anywhere else. Krill, for example, is a tiny creature but plays a massive role in the food chain, feeding everything from whales to penguins. Scientists in Australia are studying how these ecosystems are changing due to rising sea temperatures and melting ice. Believe it or not, these little creatures are connected to global weather patterns, and changes in their populations could have wide-reaching effects on food chains and even fisheries. The role of Australian stations, case studies and contributions. Australia's Antarctic stations are hubs of cutting-edge research. For example, Casey Station is working on glaciology, studying how the massive ice sheets are moving and whether they're contributing to rising sea levels. Then there's Mawson Station, Australia's oldest research base, which is located near the Prince Charles Mountains. Scientists here are studying everything from the atmosphere to soil samples, helping us predict how climate change will impact our ecosystems. Environmental responsibility, Australia's role in protecting Antarctica. But it's not just about scientific research. Australia is also deeply committed to protecting the Antarctic environment. In 1991, Australia played a key role in implementing the Protocol on Environmental Protection to the Antarctic Treaty, which ensures that scientific exploration and tourism don't harm the fragile ecosystem. Antarctica is a delicate place. No mining, no drilling, and strict regulations on waste disposal. Australia is a vocal advocate for maintaining these protections, ensuring that future generations can continue to study this continent without damaging it. The future, Australia's ongoing commitment to Antarctica. Looking ahead, Australia's role in Antarctic research is only going to grow. We're developing new technology, like drones that can monitor the ice from above, and autonomous underwater vehicles that can explore the ocean depths. Australia's polar research vessel, the Aurora Australis, is just one example of the tools that are helping scientists reach the most remote corners of the continent. Conclusion: why it matters to you. So why should we care about Australia's role in Antarctic research? Because it's more than just about ice and snow. What happens in Antarctica affects all of us, from rising sea levels to changes in our weather. Australia is at the forefront of understanding these changes, and its research is shaping the future of our planet. Next time you think about the land of koalas and kangaroos, remember, Australia is playing a key role in preserving and understanding our planet's last great wilderness. Thanks for joining me on this icy adventure. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing deep dives into the wonders of our world.